Get QuickTime Flavour Grill, the all-new easy way to make juicy, delicious, flavourful meals up to 30% faster. QuickTime Flavour Grill cooks both sides at the same time, amplifying flavour and searing in delicious grill lines just like a fancy steakhouse. The secret is in the dual cooking surfaces with independent heating control to cook from either the top, the bottom or both at the same time for quicker and tastier results.
The whole family loves it. I can cook so much stuff in the QuickTime grill, it's amazing.
Unlock the top and you have an instant dual-side butterfly grill with a deep dish frying pan on one side and an electric barbecue on the other to easily cook all year round. Fat just drips away between the extra deep grill lines, and cleaning is easy thanks to the German-engineered Grevlon C2 non-stick coating. Plus, the removable high-rimmed base is perfect for creamy pasta bake, deep dish frittata, or even the fluffiest omelette big enough for the whole family. From a benchtop barbecue and griddle pan to a mini oven and pie maker, it's like 9 appliances in one. It's even a professional pizza maker. The dual heat control gives you a perfect crunchy crust and gourmet results on top.